Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the yellow Pepe token. Ticker symbol is YELPE. I saw this token trending a few days ago on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. It's a pretty popular token. And then now I just saw it was announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing on a very big central exchange coming soon. And we're going to go over the information on the yellow Pepe token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on DEX Tools or DEX Screener if you're looking for the chart or the price. Their webpage is yellowpepe.vip. Over there you're going to find tons of links to anywhere you need to go here. They have the Twitter link on there. They have their, it's kind of very similar if you ever seen the actual real Pepe's webpage where they have like the meme roadmap on there and the how to buy section and that type of thing and the disclaimer. So their roadmap is phase 1 meme, phase 2 vibe, phase 3 moon. And it says, Yellow Pepe has no association with Matt Fury or his creation of Pepe the Frog. This token is simply paying homage to a meme derivative representing a yellow version of the green frog that we all love. Yellow Pepe is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap, and this coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. So basically that's kind of like what it says on the original Pepe page, but just changed a little bit. So it says Yellow Pepe, the most yellow memeable meme coin in existence. And it says Yellow Pepe is a vibrant, cheerful variant of the beloved Pepe the Frog character. Embodying positivity and good vibes, Yellow Pepe symbolizes optimism and fun with its bright yellow hue and playful expression, making it a perfect mascot for a meme coin. Yellow Pepe combines humor, community spirit, and unique branding to create a meme coin that not only entertains but also fosters connections within the crypto space. With its sunny disposition, Yellow Pepe aims to become a symbol of positivity in an often tumultuous world of cryptocurrency, inspired by the king of memes in this cycle, Pepe. And then he's saying good morning, and that's the crypto tagline there. Everybody's got to say good morning on their socials if you have a crypto page. So this token right now has a market cap of $2 million. Just today, they are up over 73% in the past 24 hours. And this token, it was just announced, will be getting a brand new central exchange listing. So it says upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list the Yellow Pepe token soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So it doesn't have an exact time and date yet of the listing, but if you are looking to get this token, one way you could get it is to download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get open an account on your PC. Then you would fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search the ticker symbol YELPE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yeah, $2 million $2 million, what do we call it here? Market cap right now, doing very well. This token, though, is not like brand new. It did not just come out. And their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right here, at Yellow Pepe, YELPE. And it says they have the Telegram link right there at Yellow Pepe portal. And then we have the web page right there, yellowpepe.vip. Now, they just joined Twitter November 2024. They have 1,357 Twitter followers already, doing very well. In their pinned tweet, they have the contract address. Now, it ends in pump because this token was created on pump.fun. It says fair launched on pump.fun. The most yellow memeable meme coin in existence, bringing you yellow candles. So sit back, enjoy the journey comfortably. Next stop is beyond your wildest dreams. Now, if you don't want to get this token off a central exchange, or maybe Bitmart is not available in your country, or maybe you want to get it before it gets listed on Bitmart, you can get this token off of Raydium by funding your Trust Wallet, Soulflare Wallet, Phantom Wallet, or MetaMask wallet with Sol. You could download a wallet, first of all, from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. After you fund your wallet with Sol, you go into the dApps. You would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, or you can find it on SolScan, BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. You can find it on the Twitter right here. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You would trade your Sol for this token. You probably will not have to set slippage or anything like that, but you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when using a DEX. And this token could also be available on Meteora, Jupiter, Orca, other decentralized exchanges, and maybe more centralized exchanges coming in the future as well. Right now they have $243,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 99.79% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. They have 3 different liquidity providers on Raydium. Right now they have 4,791 holders. And just today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.4 million. So very popular project. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.